Once upon a time, a curious boy named Alex found a glowing book under an old tree. When he opened it, whoosh, 26 magical letters flew out, filling the sky. Capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D, capital E, capital F, capital G, capital H, capital I, capital J, capital K, capital L, capital M, capital N, capital O, capital P, capital Q, capital R, capital S, capital T, capital U, capital V, capital W, capital X, capital Y, capital Z. And now, you know the magic of A to Z too. Keep practicing and you'll be a reading champion in no time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep learning. See you next time.